Hi, Mom. Okay, let's take a look at Pinterest. So you should be able to see my mouse moving and it has a yellow circle around it that'll help you keep track of where I'm at. Think of Pinterest like a cork board and you've cut out magazine clippings and you've put them on your board. It'll collect all of your ideas together and then you can have separate boards for different ideas. So I'm just at the main page right here. It will populate different things on this page based on what you've been searching most recently. So we can see that my page right now has quite a bit of baby stuff because I've been pinning a lot of baby stuff. So the first place to start would be up in the search bar. And if you're using your app on your phone, the search bar will still be at the top, but these buttons over on the right will be at the bottom of the app on your phone. But other than that difference, using your phone versus using the computer is just about the same thing. If you get used to one, you should be able to do the other. Um, if you don't want to use your phone, that's fine. You can always just use the computer or vice versa. So the first thing to do would be to figure out something that you want to search. Um, so we can see here that I've got a list of things that I've searched recently. And then it gives me some ideas of some things or just trending things that are popular. You don't have to use the board for just baby stuff. It can help you find party ideas or recipes or basically anything that you might want to find ideas for. So I'm going to go ahead and type in BabyQ and hit enter, and it will populate any idea that goes with BabyQ. Now, some things are directly related to BabyQ, but you'll see that other things will pop up just because of the word baby. So as you're scrolling through, if you find something that you like, you want to pin it to your board, or you could pin it to our baby board. So let me see down here if there's anything that I like immediately. Okay, I think this picnic basket over here is kind of cute. So I can do one of two things. If I think it's cute, but I'd like to know more about it, I can click it and it'll bring me to that page and I'll see the picture. And then it shows me more pictures of things that are related to that. If I hit visit, it will take me to the website that it came from. Now, one thing you're going to find out is sometimes you have to go searching through their website to find that picture that you really liked. It doesn't necessarily take you directly there, um, but usually for like recipes and stuff, it gets you pretty close. So we can see that this must be someone's baby shower page and brand new baby page. And let's see if that's somewhere. Oh my gosh, this is such a cute birthday party. I definitely gonna pin this, if only for this later. Ah, so cute. All right, scroll down, scroll back up. Well, I didn't see it there, which is kind of unusual. But that's neither here nor there. I'm gonna exit out because I don't need to be anymore. But I like that idea. I like that page. So I can click save. Now I have a lot of boards. I have my Baby Cooper board, Halloween, food, Christmas, my do-it-yourself. I have all these different boards of things that I've saved. Right now, you should just have the Baby Cooper board, unless you make more. So I'm going to put this in Baby Cooper. So I'm going to click Baby Cooper, and then it's asking me if I want it in the general board or specifically in the BabyQ. The BabyQ, I've gathered together all the ideas for just the baby shower, where the Baby Cooper board has ideas for future birthday parties, just cute outfits and things that I saw, just anything I saw. So because I really like this pin, but for the birthday party idea for later, I'm just going to put it on the Baby Cooper and I'm going to click save. And now it's saved there. So all I have to do is click either the back to feed button or back on my browser, and I'm back to my board. To see my boards, I bring my mouse up over here and I click my name, and then I'll see that I have people following me. I'm following some different people for their boards and things that they've got. And I have all these different boards. And if I wanted to know more about that board, I just click into it and it'll show me all of the things that I've saved for that board. So I'm going to click back and I'm going to get down. I have secret boards. So they're boards that only people that I invite to can see. So my baby board is one that's a secret board. So if someone searches my name in Pinterest, they won't see this board. So I'm going to click into Baby Cooper and we can see that all of these pins go with Baby Cooper, but I've grouped together under Baby Coo specific shower things. So if I click Baby Coo, here are all the ideas of things that Mary and I have seen that we've liked. Just because they're on their board doesn't mean that we absolutely have to have them. They're just cute ideas that we saw and didn't want to forget, so we saved them. And then there are a few things in here that we for sure want to do. Like, for example, this watermelon thing, watermelon grill, that's the thing I was telling you about that I really wanted you to make for the shower because it's a baby cue and that's a grill and that's adorable. So there's those different ideas. So I'm going to go back. Let's just come over here to home. I'm going to go back to my main page. So that was one way to pin something. There's another way if you don't need to get more information. So I'm looking through, I think that this idea right here is super cute. I think it's a great idea for outdoors. I think it's good. I'm going to click save. I'm going to say I want it in Baby Cooper, Baby Cue. Now it's there. You don't actually have to like click into it to save it. It's right there. And the same goes for your phone. You should be able to press and hold and it'll pop up little icons on the app. The icon for pinning looks like a little push pin. There's also the send button right here, so you can send it to someone else. So if I really like this and I thought that Mary needed to see it right away, I could just send it right to her. And we see I have a whole bunch of people that my computer recognizes that they're on Pinterest and it'll let me send them to them. So the neat thing about Pinterest is the boards keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger. You don't have to worry about hitting a limit. You can just keep saving stuff even if you decide later that you don't like it. It's okay. You can just keep it there. And you can delete it later if you need to. So the main thing is to just search. So if I said I wanted to do a Chicago Cubs party, here we go. Here's a whole bunch of really cool ideas for doing a baseball party. And again, if I want to see more about it, I click into it and then I can either read it, visit it, or make it. And it'll tell me more about it. So there it is. So it's a Cubs cooler, which looks delicious if I just took out all the alcohol. And it opened a new tab, so if I want to keep it open, I can just go back to Pinterest. If I really wanted to save it, I could save it into whatever board I wanted to save it in, and it'll be there. So the best advice I can give you is to just hop on Pinterest and play a little bit and see the different features and see what you like and kind of go from there. And always, if you have any questions, you can go ahead and call me or text me and I will be happy to help you. Thank you so much for being willing to help with the shower and all the stuff that's sure to come afterwards. Mary and I really appreciate it and love you very much. So if you need anything, give me a call. I love you. Bye.